What are you doing, Zachary? What are you doing? Are you eating snacks? Or are you fixing? Where's your hammer?
Hammer.
Where is it at? No, that's screwdriver. Where'd your hammer go? Show me hammer.
Hammer.
Hammer, where are you?
I need
Call the hammer.
hammer.
Where are you, hammer?
I know.
Don't know? Oh, over there. Go get it. Get the hammer. Oh, wow. Show me. Show me the hammer. Oh, that's wonderful. Where's the screwdriver? Good boy.
Fix.
You're going to fix? Fix it up. Where's your saw? Saw it up. Good. Where's your drill? Where's your drill? Here it is. Here, this is your drill. Drill. That's drill.
The
Drill.